Hey guys, today we're going to be tying a uni knot. My little girl Roxy has a lot of trouble with this one. It seems easy, but when you get out in the field it's really hard to hold all the strings and lures and make the loop seem to loop. So she came up with an idea of a cheap, easy, do-it-yourself holder for tying a uni knot. So all you need for this do-it-yourself is a toilet paper roll and maybe a pen or a marker to mark your cuts and a pair of scissors, and that should make your tool for you. So let's get started. So first we're going to mark that with a marker, and we're going to do it on both sides so they're even with each other. Get a pair of scissors, cut those little lines out. That's just so you can see where the threads are lying and where you're going to put the hook. These are just there to hold everything in place for you. So I'm cutting these out. Make little slots. We're going to grab our line and hook. We're going to thread the hook front to back. Now you're going to pull out about 2 foot of line. That's your tag line. You need about 2 foot to do it with this tool, just because you got a lot of wrapping to do. And UNI KNOT does take quite a bit of string or line. So you're going to hook your hook into one of the slots, just hook it and pull it down, that'll hold it in place. Take your 2 lines you have in your hand, go around them through the first loop and in the second loop. Now you're going to separate just the tag line, that loose piece, go back all the way, keep going all the way around. And now you're just going to wrap it 5 times around the 2 pieces that came across the top there by the hook. So again, you're not having to hold the line, you can drop it, let go, you're not having to start over every time it slips out of your hand. The hook won't be spinning backwards or flip inside your loop. All these things I experience when I do it, when I'm out in the field trying to fish, and my little girl we just couldn't get her to figure out how to hold all the lines. So that seems to be the biggest trouble with the UNI knot. Other than that, it is a great knot. It's probably the easiest, best knot to do, just in the field. It's kind of tough. So this tool, which obviously is free since it's just a toilet paper roll. With COVID out there, it made it a little harder to get, but they are still considered kind of free. You're just going to throw them away when you're done. So after you get all that line twisted 5 times, and we turned it over and went through the back, which I should be doing right here. We're going to flip it up. Nope, we're still on 5 times. Sorry, we got one more. Just going to tighten them up so they look better. Now we're going to roll it over where the tag line is. We're going to throw it underneath that line right there, which is being held in place for you. Just hold on to that tag line. As you're holding that tag line, you're going to just take all the lines off the spool there and leave the hook in place. Because that's going to give you something, again, as a little kid, something to hold on to, one of these little hooks or something so it's not sticking in your hand. And you just kind of pull the string back and forth, and it'll start coming up into a notch. Pull each side a little bit until you work its way down there. And you can put some saliva on it, which means just lick the line. It'll make it slide a lot easier. And then pull both the pieces together. It's going to cinch that knot up right onto the hook. And when you're all done, get it cinched on here. You'll be trimming that tag line off. The tag line, again, is the extra line at the end there that you don't need. You can cut it really close because that knot is not going anywhere. You can see it's a nice clean knot. No problems, it holds great. And again, hopefully this do-it-yourself helps you out in the field. So get yourself a toilet paper roll, a pair of scissors, a marker. Try marking this little tool for yourself. Let me know how it works for you out there in the field for the kids and adults, because I use them at this point, because it does make it a lot easier, and they're disposable and you don't care if you lose them. So get out there and let me know how they work. Leave a comment, and please subscribe and click the little bell to get more videos on kids fishing, and we'll be back tomorrow. Thank you.